all the raindrops is a short piece here. So to do this exercise, I want you to put your 10 fingers in front of you and let's say the numbers 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. Next line, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1. 1 and 5 together. Okay, so practice wiggling your fingers before we start. The same way we're going to place our thumb on middle C and our left hand thumb on G. Do exactly what we just did with the exercise. Wiggle them together. Both hands will be playing the same numbers. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's an up-close version in case you didn't catch it the first time. So once again, thumb on middle C, left hand thumb on G. Let's go slowly. 1,